Hello traders, in this video we're looking at the Step Nema Indicator for MT4. This technical tool is a stepped moving average indicator that aims to filter out market noise and provide clearer trend and reversal signals using a wave-based approach. Let's monitor load indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the Step Nema Indicator plots a line on the price chart that moves in step, as you can see over here. The step representing a smoothed view of price which advances or declines in wave-like segments. When the Step Nema line is moving up, it visually implies a bullish trend, as we see here, and when it is moving down, it implies a bearish trend, with pullbacks that return to or near the Step Nema line and then bounce off it, showing potential continuation within the trend, while rejections or failures at the line in the opposite direction can hint at resistance or support. Over time, the pattern of steps outlines the beginning and end of price waves, giving a clearer sense of trend phases and potential reversals regions. I will check its settings. We can see the length and step size. These parameters control how quickly the line reacts to price, how large each step is, and how sensitive the indicator is to pullbacks, which traders can tune to their preferred market and time frame. These variables also help filter out noise and emphasize trend direction. Now we also have its colors, which you can adjust. Who is it for? The Step Nema Indicator is easy to use and suited to traders who want straightforward trend identification and noise filtering from newer traders to more experienced participants. It should not be used as a standalone tool as it is based on past price data, can lag behind current conditions, and can generate false signals, especially in choppy or sideways markets. Traders must consider overall market conditions, news events, and risk management, and they may also need to regularly adjust parameters as conditions change. You can find the download link in the description below. You can also read the full Step Nema Indicator MT4 article, including the strategy, guidelines, example buy sell setups, and pros and cons at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.